girls, welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome here in this channel. We talk about relaxed hair growth tips, protective styling, and so much more concerning the hair topic in general. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys sort of like a recap or a review of my 2022 hair goals, the goals I was able to achieve and those I was not able to achieve, the ones I'm going to work on, and so forth. I actually uploaded a video like for 2022 hair goals. That video went up I think January last year, so you can actually watch that video, you know, to know where we are coming from, to know my hair goals, and to understand better all the things I'm going to be talking about in this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. So when I started the year, I started with a relaxer stretch challenge and a protective style challenge. So one of my goals during January 2022 was actually to complete that protective style for 4 months and to go on an 8 months relaxer stretch. That's take the relaxer stretch to 8 months. And I'm so happy I was able to take that protective style for 4 months. So yeah, I actually achieved that goal. I carried the protective style for 4 months. It was actually braids, like my hair was just in braids under wigs. There were no form of extensions, attachments whatsoever. You can actually check out my previous videos on how that protective style challenge went, because I actually filmed and uploaded everything. So like I said, the second thing was my relaxer stretch challenge. Like I said, I had a goal to carry my relaxer stretch to 8 months, but 1 or 2 things happened, and instead of 8 months, I ended up stretching my relaxer for 1 year. Yes guys, so since we stretched further than that, I'll also say we achieved that goal, alright, because I actually stretched for 8 months and gave myself an extra 4 months. So my third goal last year was actually to get to tailbone length. This did not happen, alright. I was unable to get to tailbone length, though I am happy because I actually got closer to tailbone length. The previous year I was at hip length, and after the 1 year relaxer stretch I did, I was like 2 to 3 inches away from tailbone length. So even though I didn't get to tailbone length, I am so happy that I am closer to my goal compared to the previous year. So yeah, we were unable to achieve that last year, but I know in most of my videos I usually tag tailbone length, and that is because I don't really know what to call it. Like my hair right now is kind of between hip length and tailbone length. If there's another name for that I don't know of, please let me know. So that's why I just kind of stuck with tailbone length, because my hair is way past hip length but about few inches away for tailbone length. So that's why in some of my videos you guys usually see tailbone length. All right, so yeah, we didn't achieve that last year. Hopefully we'll be able to do that this year. So moving on, another goal I had last year was to get a hair trim, which I did. I got 1 hair trim, which was after my 1 year relaxer stretch. If you know me, you know that I don't get trims that often. I actually dread trims. Like I hate trims, even though consciously I know that I like have to get regular trims to make my ends healthy and all that, but it's not a habit. Like I don't get trims too frequently. I get trims only when I feel my hair really needs it. All right, like I already said, this may not work for everybody. Trim your hair according to how your hair needs it, according to what has been working for you. But I trim my hair only when my hair needs it. Sometimes I can go 2 years without even trimming my hair. Yes guys, that's how infrequently I trim my hair. So last year I got 1 trim. That was after my 1 year relaxer stretch. I even uploaded that video, so you guys can check out that video if you're interested. So yeah, we actually got that goal checked. So another goal I had last year was to focus more on health over length, and I actually broke this down. So I said I wanted to do more DIYs like hair mask, banana mask, tail rinses, and so many DIY ideas I had on my head, but I never really did. All right, so this part of the goal, DIYs, I didn't really do it. I don't even think I used rice water on my hair last year. So yeah, that was something I was unable to achieve, but hopefully this year we'll be able to do that. Not right now though, maybe towards the end of the year I'll go more into DIYs. But yeah, so we're unable to do that last year. Now also under the health category, another thing I really wanted to try were new products, like new hair care products, new shampoos, conditioners, conditioners, leave-ins, heat protectants, maybe even heat styling tools, all right? But I was not able to do this. I think the only new product I got last year was my VO5 shampoo, which I've already reviewed on the channel. Other products I used throughout the year were my usual products, my Mega Growth product, the Organics hair mayonnaise. I used the heat styling tools I've been using before. So the only new product I got last year, I think, was the VO5 shampoo. So yeah, I didn't really explore that much in that department last year, all right? But hopefully we'll do better this year. So yeah, we were unable to achieve that goal. Now, another goal I had last year was to engage more in short-term protective styles, and I think this goal actually came to my mind after going on the 1 year relaxer stretch. I found out that I actually missed my hair so much. Guys will not understand what it feels like to have your hair tucked away for almost 1 year, like literally almost in protective styles. If you followed me during that journey, you know that my hair was almost never out like this, like always in protective styles, either in braids, in wigs, in cornrows, almost always in protective styles. So during that relaxer stretch challenge, I decided after relaxing my hair, I was going to enjoy my hair more, do more short-term protective styles. So that's why that was one of my goals for last year, and I am so happy like I was able to achieve that goal, because if you guys have been watching my videos ever since, you know that after that 1 year relaxer stretch, I have not installed any form of long-term protective style. Like not even one, not even box braids. And if you know me before now, you know that's so unlike me. Like, what? Using short-term protective styles? I am more of a long-term protective style babe, like using sew-ins, using box braids for 4 months, 3 months and all that. So you hardly see me in things like buns, except maybe I just relaxed my hair, so I'm giving my hair time to relax, or maybe immediately before I relax my hair because I want my hair to regain strength and all that before relaxing it. But outside that time, my hair is almost always in protective styles. So one of the goals I had was to enjoy my hair more by using short and protective styles, and I think after I relaxed my hair in June or July last year, I have actually been using short and protective styles up till now. I have relaxed my hair again once since then and continued using short-term protective styles, and I have literally been enjoying my hair ever since. So for that goal, we get a check. So another goal I had last year was actually to get a blunt end, and this was actually assuming I get to tailbone length. So I planned that after getting to tailbone length, I was going to trim my ends gradually until I get that blunt end. But yeah, we didn't get to tailbone length and we were unable to get a blunt end. If you've been following my hair journey from the beginning, or if you've been watching my hair journey videos or watch my previous videos like when I started the channel and all that, you know that my hair actually has a V shape. So one of my goals last year was to kind of like trim it gradually until I get that blunt end. But that was if I actually got to tailbone length, because I am not going to be doing that if I don't get to my goal length. Okay, hopefully later on during the year or whenever I get to tailbone length, I will be able to achieve that. So yeah, for that goal we were not able to achieve. So another goal I had last year was actually to wash my hair more frequently, shampoo my hair more frequently. You know, I always say in my videos that when you use shampoos more frequently, especially sulfate-free shampoos, these have the tendency to strip your hair of its natural oils, dry your hair and all that. But even though I was not planning to shampoo my hair like every day or every week, I was planning to shampoo it like more frequently compared to when I usually do, because if you don't know, I usually like shampoo my hair anywhere ranging from 1 month to even as long as 4 months, depending on what regimen, on what protective style my hair is currently in. So I was planning to change this because of the fact that I was planning to focus more on health, and also coupled with the fact that I was planning to try out more products, and you know, more products equals more product build up. So more product build up is definitely going to require me shampooing my hair more frequently to get rid of those build up and all that. So those are actually some of the reasons why I actually wanted to shampoo my hair more frequently. But The fact that I wanted to shampoo my hair more frequently did not mean that I was planning to use sulfate shampoos. I would have actually used more of sulfate-free shampoos. The only sulfate-free shampoo I've used on my hair is the Eglitas Hair Wonder shampoo, which I've reviewed before on my channel. All the other shampoos I've tried are actually clarifying and sulfate-containing shampoos. For example, my Mega Good shampoo, the VO5 shampoo. The VO5 shampoo I have is a clarifying shampoo. It contains sulfate. The Mega Growth shampoo I've used is also a sulfate containing shampoo. So most of the shampoos I've tried are actually sulfate containing. So if I wanted to do that, I would have used more of the Eglitas Hair Wonder shampoo, which is a sulfate-free shampoo. Then maybe after 3 months, 4 months, when I really want to clarify my hair, my scalp, I will now use a sulfate or a clarifying shampoo. So for that goal, we were not able to achieve it. How many times did I even shampoo my hair last year? I think throughout the whole of 2022, I shampooed my hair just twice. You guys would not believe it. And the shampoo was not even a wash day. Like, the first time was after my 1 year relaxer stretch, after which I washed it with a neutralizing shampoo and all that. The second time was during my second relaxer routine or relaxer day during the year, where I also rinsed it out with a neutralizing shampoo and all that. So those were the only times I actually shampooed my hair last year, only when I did a relaxer routine. So for that department, in terms of washing, shampooing, my goal was not achieved. So yeah, guys, I think those are all the goals I mentioned in my 2022 hair goals video. I wanted to, pick them out one by one and really talk about them. So even though we're not able to achieve everything, I think we're still able to achieve about 50 or over 50% of the goals. And to me, that is great. When you set goals and when you set hair goals, it's not compulsory to get 100%. Like, you mustn't get a perfect score. What matters is how far you went, how many percent of your goals were you able to accomplish, did you at least get a pass mark? All right, so that's what you should be looking at when you are thinking back, reflecting on your goals and all that. So please share with us down in the comment section down below what some of your goals were for 2022, which were you able to achieve, and how many percent of your goals were you able to achieve. Please make sure to share with us down in the comment section below. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you watched it this far and you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here and you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing to join the family, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.